I just love it when Alpaka Gear shows us over and over again that they listen to our needs. I love it. So, hi everybody, this is Share, back another day with another video. And here I have two new products from Alpaka Gear. And I'm going to do two separate videos about them. So yeah. So let me explain the first one before I open it and show you. I like these two products, the Flight Pouch and the Metro Sling V2 version 2. Use them a lot, mainly used hand carrying. They both have body straps as well, but this is how I mainly use them. And one of you readers or viewers asked me if I could fit, or if you could fit the Flight Pouch in the Metro Sling. And that was something that I haven't thought about myself, because I usually use them for different kind of ways. So I tried it, I gave it a try, and I said, no, you can fit, but that's the only thing that will fit in it in that case. So yes, you can fit, you can close it, but that's it. And now Alpaka has given us a bigger Metro Sling. And the need that I had for it, I'm going to show you as well. So in this summer, I go on a lot of car events and I do interviews with people. And I have a couple of things that I always want to carry with me. Microphones, yeah, I'm going to show you, tripod, etc. And I usually need to have a large sling bag, and I thought that the new tripod was shorter than it is, so I know that it still won't fit in this one, but that is why I bought it at least. And here, just to show you, you can absolutely fit the Flight Pouch inside it. No problems at all. And I thought it was going to be way taller, actually a little bit too big. So when I saw their models on their site carrying it, it looked a little bit too big for me. But when I saw the measures and when I saw the tripod, let me show you. So in the V2 Metro Sling, I have this small selfie-stick tripod with me, the mics, and the phone, and that's it. That works just fine. But I wanted to be able, I have something in this one. I wanted to be able to have this one with me, so I can do interviews standing up. And I thought it was going to be slightly shorter when I ordered it, but I'm pretty sure that this will do just fine anyway. So mics, let me put it all in. Mics, the small selfie stick, the large selfie stick that's going to be outside like that, but yeah. I'll see if I can find me a smaller tripod selfie stick. But I'm absolutely okay with carrying it around like this. And then you can still fit a bunch of other things. So let me show you the pockets. So the other pocket, we have a small pouch on top, maybe for keys, maybe for coins, and you have the key strap with a quick release. You have the body strap for carrying it around your body, and this pocket is quite large. Then on the inside we have two separate pockets. I hope you can see that. And as you see, it opens wide. So if you want to protect, I'm pretty sure that on their site they had one iPad something or one gaming system something that fitted there. Another pocket, small pockets for pen, pocket knife, and business cards, bank cards. So yeah. Do we have anything on the back? No, we don't. And that's it. And the X-Pac, I'm pretty sure this is the X-Pac, is what they call weather protected. So it can't take some rain, etc. But don't go swimming with it. So the dimensions are 24 centimeter high, 17 centimeter width, and depth 9 centimeters, and volume is 3 liter. And I'm actually happy that I chose a green one so I can separate them, because laying on the shelf at my place, they don't look too big size difference. And then on the outside you have a bunch of these where you can attach things, hooks, etc. But for me, I will have, I need to find something smaller than that. And then the microphones. So yeah, something like that. That will do. Now on to the next one. Now when I did my second video, that will be a separate video, I just remember that I forgot to tell you that I have a discount link. It used to be a discount code, SirPierre15, but now you need to go via the link instead, and you have 15% on all Alpaka gear products. So check the link in the description to get 15% off whatever you buy from Alpaka. Thanks for watching.